Okay, so my get it shipped parcel arrived today, and it was sent last week in the States and arrived today, so it's taken about a week. So my stuff, 4 mini helmets, and we have a Stanley Sea Eagles jersey and a Bengals Nunez ball. I think it's Nunez at least, I'll check it later. And then we got big mean ass helmet in here. I'll just have to take it out for a sec. See, that's a box. Should be great for putting things back into it. So we got Giants, Alec Oaktree, who's no longer with the Giants. We got 5. I didn't even realise. But we have another helmet inside the big one. So Kevin Riley. So there's it inside of that helmet. Sealed up. Put back in the box. Okay, so mini helmets. Calvin Ridley with the Hawks. We've got Kurt Warner for the Rams. Speed Deshaun Watson. There's a Dolphins, Mike Gaston, I think it was. And then I've got this one. Which is Rodney Hampton. Okay, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 top loaded, sleeves, standard size. Then a thick size, resealable team bags. Then we've got thick top loaders. Black border, rigid ones. Hold another little red back border ones. And then some thick, super thick ones. Uh, 100.1 touch. Another 100.1 touch. 55.1 touch. Another one of those. So I also got some face coverings or face masks. So I got New York City FC. It's cool. Got ear holes there. Right? And then it just goes like this. This way. And it's got a bit of Velcro as well, so it looks like an actual mask. And we got Yankees, big New York one, and then this one here, which I wore tonight, which I had to Titan. So these are going to stay in my room. And then we got, woo, wrestling 48 of 50. WWE, the Diamond. Pretty cool. Then we have a little bit of memorabilia. So this is Jason Kidd and Ben Wallace figurines. A little bit of floorboard and a thing to stick them up. Unopened. This Timeless Treasures. Jim Thorpe, American Runner, or High Jumper, or whatever he was. This, however, started coming off the side of it. Then I've got